Hi, my name's Jo Robertson and I'm Education Director at Wonderful Brands, and today I'm going to be talking to you about StarTreatments. I'm going to tell you about the benefits of these treatments. First of all, I'm going to talk about the Leave-In Shine Infusion. This is a brightening treatment for fine to medium hair and is absolutely perfect for those blondes. The blondes that are not shining anymore, where they just need to have maybe a toner or a bit of a refresh. This is absolutely perfect because they will shine and you get that straight away gratification. You can see the difference, visually see the difference, which I think is amazing for a client. It revitalizes the hair fibre, but also for us as busy stylists, it actually dries the hair quicker. So it speeds up your drying time and it gives the hair loads of volume as well. No downtime for this. Sprinkle it on, blow dry away, and you have your treatment straight away. Really easy to apply as well. You just open up the box and your treatment is in here. You use one of these per head of hair and you just sprinkle it on, blow dry away, and you're done. Next treatment I'm going to talk about is the Rinse Out Intense Shine Serum. Now this one is a couple of ways that we can use this. First of all, it's a 2-minute treatment, so all you have to do is just sprinkle it onto the hair at the backwash. 2 minutes, that's all you need to leave it on the hair for. This is perfect for more thicker, coarser type of hair because it has an oil base to it. So it's really going to penetrate deeper into the hair and do more of the repairing. Adds shine. It stimulates the keratin within the hair as well. We have pearl powder in both of these treatments that do help to stimulate the keratin in the hair. We also have the argan oil and the Electrix as well. So it's a fantastic range of treatments. Now, there is the second thing that you can do with this. You can make a tonal whip. So what's a tonal whip? Imagine you've done some highlights and you don't really need to put a toner on it. You just want to knock out a few of those brassy tones. You can actually make one of these treatments into a tonal whip. And I'm going to show you how to do it. We use one of these intense shine serums and we pop that into our bowl. I'm going to show you how to do it now. Pop it into your bowl. Then you fill this back up with water. I've already got one prepared. And you pop that into your bowl. Now you add in your silver pigments. You can really make a decision on how intense you want this to be. For my hair, where I like to be quite a beige blonde, I put in 3 pumps. You can decide how many pumps you want to pump in there. So in my bowl, I have the serum, water, and the silver pigments. And what I do then is I simply whisk it up. So straight away, you can see this is starting to throb up. So just after a few seconds, this is really starting to beat up. I'm probably going to speed this up now. So what you can see now is we've got a gorgeous whip. This is a tonal whip. It smells amazing as well, absolutely amazing. How you would apply this is at the backwash, shampoo the hair. If you've taken the colour off, go through your normal colour removal process. And then just before you put conditioner on, you would put your tonal whip on and leave for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the desired intensity of the colour that you want to get from it. But it is a real bit of drama in the salon as well. So with under a minute, you've got some great bit of theatre. Your client seeing you mixing it, it's like being at the chef's table, that you're actually able to see what they're doing. That's the tonal whip. Really simple, 3 different uses for those different products. We've got 2 products. One is a leave-in shine infusion. The second one is an intense shine serum, which is a rinse out. You leave that for 3 minutes. And then you can then use this with a tonal whip, where you can leave that for 3 to 5 minutes.